Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got something that we're going to be doing. We're going to be planting Brussels sprouts. Okay, so this is one of my absolute favorite crops to grow. You do know that they take forever, right? Yeah, I know it takes a long time to grow. Okay, but like, will anybody ever get food? Have you actually ever grown a Brussels sprout? Right. Okay, so yes, this crop does take a while to grow on. It really and truly does. So from now to maturity, it's going to take 85 days. Yeah, okay. So I get it. It's close to 3 months, but come on. The good thing about Brussels sprouts is that they are major givers. So instead of it just being basically like a one and done, similar to what you would get with a cabbage or a broccoli or a cauliflower, once that heads come up, generally you don't get a whole lot else off of it. Sometimes occasionally you'll get little side shoots off of your broccoli plants, but when it comes to Brussels sprouts can get anywhere from 3 to 4 foot tall and be completely loaded with Brussels sprouts. So when it comes to a cut and come again kind of a crop for fall, Brussels sprouts are where it's at, even if it does take close to 90 days. So sometimes patience is a virtue. We're gonna go on ahead, we're gonna get some planted in this bed here. So let's go on ahead and get that part going. Okay friends, so I've gotten all of the Brussels sprouts into position, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this little guy here, I'm gonna make a hole, and I've actually got some eggshell that I've saved here. All right, I'm just gonna take it, I'm gonna crush it up, put that into the bottom of the hole, put that down there, and boom. That eggshell is just going to act like a slow release fertilizer, so it is going to benefit this crop, but it's also going to end up benefiting anything that we plant in this bed clear into next year. Okay, beautiful friends, so we've officially gotten our Brussels sprouts in. Now, as you noticed, I did go on ahead and I topped this off with a nice pesticide-free straw mulch on top. We are still warm enough for everything to be growing on during the day, but at night we are dropping cold enough that these guys need just a little bit of protection, especially since they are so young. So what this is going to do is just act as a little bit of a buffer for the roots, help to keep those roots nice and warm overnight until the sun comes out the next day. So that's all I've got for you on this video, and don't forget to go on ahead and join our waitlist. We have a Soil Fertility 101 guide coming out very soon, and we really want you to join that waitlist because early bird access and early bird pricing is going to be for everybody on that waitlist only. So go on ahead and sign up for that because we're going to walk you through how you can have a really high yield garden space no matter how small it is. We will show you all of our tips and tricks, walk you through what we have done to create the greatest soil so that you can have abundant crops. And guys, I'm going to include a video here at the end on soil amending just so that you can kind of get your appetite whet for some of the things that are going to be in that guide. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.